It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da,
Alright, hello everyone. We're back with another car wash recording. Yes, another one. Today we're going to be checking out this Ryko soft gloss Maxx at this Chevron station on Bell Road and El Mirage Road. It's probably the most modern car wash that I've done on this, or that I've recorded actually, so who knows? See what Gramps thinks, huh? Also gotta give credit to my grandfather, Wave, for recording this video. I totally forgot about giving him credit last time, so anyway.
One eternity later.
Alright, so just so everyone knows, that is a Ryko dryer, and I think we can begin now. Wait, what? Yeah, it's a pretty hot day today actually. It's supposed to be just under the hundreds. So right now I'm standing in frickin' sunlight. There's the buzzer. Oh, and by the way, this is the third car wash video and the third video with this is the, hang on. Sorry I'm screwing this up. This is the third car wash recording, and this contains the all three cars have been used in a car wash recording, which is really awesome. I give full credit for my Gramps for letting me record this video. I hope he enjoys this wash, because this is probably the best one that, you know, there is. I have a feeling he probably got the light wash, I'm pretty sure. Not 100% sure, to be honest. Alright, here comes the top brush. Oh yes, this is my favorite. So yeah, just so you know, this is a Ryko Soft Gloss Maxx 5. This is located at a Chevron station at Bell Road and El Mirage. The guy's going way too fast in this parking lot. Jeez. I really like doing these car wash recordings, and you know, it's fun to do this. But, I mean, sometimes when you're not in like a shaded area, it kind of sucks a little bit. What wash did he get? Because that looks like spot-free rinse, to be honest. That's all. That's it? Really? No, like pre-soak, no tri-foam, no nothing. Really? And no dryer? Okay, that is unbelievable. Here is the I actually made a poor review to this place. I don't know if I'll ever get a response. If I do, I'll make like an update video or something. Saying here, very disappointed in the very nice Ryko Soft Glass Maxx 5. Me and my grandpa went there to record the system. Yes, I do record car washes. And, excuse me, and he got the cheapest one on the list, which was $6 for a light wash. I was expecting, you know, pre-soak, soft wash, high pressure rinse, spot-free rinse, dry, but no. Instead it was just a soft wash, the top brush soft wash, and the spot-free rinse, which you saw in the video, and that was it. And I go, really? My grandpa hated this scheme, as he called it, and told that this place is a ripoff. I have to be honest, he is right. Like I said, if you want to enjoy a wash, or if you want to enjoy this place, you should, the Chevron place should definitely remove that stupid $6 option, whoops, and make the $8 one, the starting one, at just $6. So basically you get everything that the $8 one would originally get, make that $6 so that we don't have to waste a lot of money. All the rest will stay the same, which if you remember the prices, that was 10 and 12. Yeah, that's a little jump in prices, I know, but still, you need to get some revenue from the system, or from people using it, so you can give revenue to the manufacturer, which is Ryko. But I will have to say the only reason why I did not give it a 1-star review was because Ryko systems, they're freaking awesome, and they're great no matter the age, unless that is if they're cared the right way. So yeah, I mean, if you didn't enjoy this video, I'm just gonna say this out right now, don't be rude, man. I mean, come on. This was, we didn't even know what the steps were gonna be. We did not know what the steps were gonna be, so it was very disappointing. I mean, like, come on. You really expect something good to happen with a car wash, right? So why do we get like the most garbage car wash, or the really cool modern wash, and make it look so disappointing? So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. That's all I got. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.